30 natural nail designs you should try in 2023. Believe me when I say that nail art isn't just for the extreme. Yes, statement-making chrome manicures and vibrant marble nails are all over your Instagram feed, but more natural-looking nail designs are also on trend for 2023. The beauty of minimalist nail art and manicures done with subtle, neutral polishes is that they won't clash with whatever you're wearing and won't tire you out as quickly as a bolder design would. Also, most natural nail designs are surprisingly simple to DIY, allowing you to experiment with different manicure ideas without spending a fortune or visiting a salon. Are you convinced yet? That's great, since I spent hours scrolling through Instagram to compile this list of the 30 finest natural nail designs and ideas for 2023. This list has something for everyone, from pearl-studded accent nails to contemporary French manicures. Euphoria-inspired nails. For minimalists, euphoria-inspired makeup can be scary, so I suggest embracing the trend with a wavy manicure like this one. You can make it yourself with just a clear base coat, opaque white polish, and a few tiny gemstones. It's understated, yet nonetheless cool. This neutral crystal manicure. Nude nails are always very fashionable, and this design ups the ante by placing a jewel on each tip. You simply need to paint your nails with your preferred neutral color and then adhere an adhesive jewel on top, so this almost requires no experience. Simple smiley. Because they are influenced by professional nail art yet don't require a steady hand, nail stickers are huge right now. Even if they lack the time or skill required to draw an authentic smiley, they still provide the same effect. Moody French manicure design. Anyone in the Wednesday generation should read this. Instead of painting the polish on, dip nails into black polish to create the barely there black tips on these clear nails. Dominoes. If your go-to manicure is a light pink polish color, adding modest black and white dots to the base of each nail with a nail dotting tool is the simplest method for you to experiment with nail art. Although you may use any color polish to create the dots, I personally prefer the minimalist look of black and white. The peekaboo manicure. With the exception of a very small section where the natural nail may be seen briefly in a negative space, these nails are virtually entirely white. The unpainted ring helps to keep grown-out nails seeming deliberate while the bright white color keeps everything looking new. This one is in my folder for summer nail art. Natural-looking pearl French manicure. These nails are for you if you enjoy Emily in Paris's fashion and beauty moments. Pearl accents give the classic French manicure a truly adorable yet understated update. Futuristic nails for manicure minimalists. Sharp, graphic diagonal lines give this metallic silver polish a futuristic and modern appearance while still being ideal for minimalists. I think it's a beautiful alternative for winter nail art. Natural nail design for fall. This is the ideal minimalist fall nail style. Little dots at the cuticle and the brown accent nail on the ring finger subtly evoke the fall season. Stars nail design. A celestial-inspired manicure that is subtle enough to where every day has finally been created. The contrast between the white and rose gold stars on the hazy pink base is so sharp and clean, I adore it. Half and half nail design. If you want to get in on TikTok's red nail trend without fully committing, this is the look for you. Get ready for the compliments to start rolling in. Don't say I didn't warn you. Natural-looking triangle nail design. Thanks to the black geometric triangles positioned in the corners, these nude nails are everything but basic. Although this design might require a little more finesse than some of the others on our list, it still falls well within the purview of minimalistic nail art. Tiny hearts for natural nail lovers. I don't mind that the red hearts on the white background nearly appear to have been added with a Sharpie as an afterthought. I truly like how the floating hearts are positioned differently on each nail and how unassumingly cool they are. If you ask me, this is the ideal Valentine's Day nail design. Natural nails inspired by lattes. You're probably familiar with the lovely swirl that occurs when you add creamer to your morning cappuccino. That is what this makes me think about. Just take a look at those decadent layers of chocolate, caramel, and creamy white. Yum! Natural-looking concrete nails. There's no disputing that these, concrete wall-inspired, nails are cool, despite the fact that it may seem like an odd area to draw inspiration from. The uneven gold line that covers the entire length of the nail is my favorite feature. It really improves the rough pattern. Gradient blue hearts. The gradient nail trend is flirty and fun, but instead of painting the full nail with a different shade of blue polish, these hearts do the trick. If blue isn't your hue, not to worry, this look can be done with any mix of colors. Gilded tips. When you can apply 2 lines for a French manicure, why do one? Oh, and instead of white, in gold. Please, yes. Any metallic color will dazzle, but this yellow gold polish stands out. Sweetheart nail look. This version of a French manicure feels noticeably more contemporary because it uses only 2 nails to transform the typical half-moon tips into a heart shape. It's ideal for Valentine's Day or any other time you're feeling romantic. Matte natural nail design. Shiny nails receive all the attention, but can we take a moment to appreciate this matte, monochromatic design? Nothing that I can think of is more stylish to wear with a comfortable, bundled-up look. These matte nails, for some reason, just seem to go nicely with cashmere sweaters. The safari manicure. Full-on zebra print can be distracting to stare at for 3 or more weeks while your manicure is on, but with a few subtle touches here and there, we guarantee you won't get bored with this pattern anytime soon. Alternatively, you can soften this appearance by using zebra pattern as an accent manicure on only 1 nail as opposed to several. Fire flame nails. I'm getting the best Ed Hardy vibes from these nails. After all, early aughts style is back. It retains a level of tasteful, as opposed to gaudy, by keeping the French manicure meets fire emoji design white and the base polish sheer. Wavy nail art for natural nails. If this fantastic artwork were created with, say, bright nail polish, it may come off as a little costume-like. Instead, nakedness and neutral colors make this classic pattern looking sleek and contemporary, pun intended. It reminds me of a stylish nail version of a work of art by Hannah Polskin. Abstract nail art. You're unable to decide between 2 hues that you like sufficiently for a full manicure. This sporadic pattern is for you. On each nail, you can see a tiny bit of brown and cream, but the remainder is unadorned. You're welcome, commitment avoiders. Cuticle art. Applying a few gems along your cuticles will instantly upgrade the look, whether you had your nails done at a salon or tried your hand at a DIY manicure. Because the gems can be utilized to mask your growth, this design also serves as a technique to extend the period between manicures. Ombre nail design. You can experiment with an ombre effect in other places outside only your hair. The gradation from dark to light looks gorgeous on natural nails. The dark, in this instance, is actually a soft neutral base that transitions into a bright white at the tips. Two-tone French. It's the stuff that minimalist manicure fantasies are made of: people, black and white polish combined with this straightforward French manicure pattern. I'm obsessed, and it reminds me of Chanel. Blue crush nails. To me, the color scheme of teal and blue definitely screams surfer girl. Like, I can practically picture Kate Bosworth's character in Blue Crush wearing these nails. These are for you if you're all about the ocean breeze and California surf. Minimalist leopard print. I agree with you if you believe that a leopard is a neutral animal. This manicure, which has an adaptable pink foundation and only 2 or 3 cat spots per nail, makes the feline markings even more wearable. Oh, and did I mention that the spots are nail toppers with unique effects? No design experience necessary. Meow. Natural tone-on-tone manicure. Brown might be the new black, in my opinion. And I just can't get enough of this brown-on-brown nail combination. At Brown Girl Hands you may freehand a similar feeling using brown polish or the Editorial Nails Calf Latte reusable press-ons to achieve this effect. Tortoiseshell tips. Tortoiseshell, which is typically only used for sunglasses and claw hair clips, is now being used on nails thanks to this improved French design. It's still really subtle, but it's also a decently entertaining way to shake things up when you become bored with your go-to manicure. These are the 30 natural nail designs you should try in 2023. Trust me when I say that nail art isn't just for the brave. Yes, statement-making chrome manicures and vivid marble nails are all over your Instagram feed, but more natural-looking nail designs are also popular in 2023. The advantage of minimalist nail art and manicures done with mild, neutral tones is that they won't conflict with anything you're wearing and won't tire you out as fast as a larger design might. Plus, most natural nail designs are surprisingly simple to DIY, letting you to experiment with new manicure ideas without spending a fortune or entering a salon. This list includes something for everyone, from pearl-studded accent nails to modern French manicures. Thank you for tuning into Viral Grabbers Worldwide. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell. See you again soon.